How to log in into QuickBooks Workforce account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into QuickBooks Workforce account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in workforce.com and press enter. Tap on the login button at the top right corner of the page. You will see two options. Tap on the QuickBook Online. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your QuickBook Workforce account. Enter your QuickBook password. If two-factor authentication is enabled by your company, you may need to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary process, click on the Sign In button. You will be directed towards your QuickBooks Workforce dashboard where you can access your pay stubs, W-2s and other payroll details. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into QuickBooks Workforce account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.